Let me show you how to download WhatsApp on your iPhone 17. So to download WhatsApp, you actually have to find this App Store. So yeah, Apple App Store. So you can either click over here in App Library. It will be displayed essentially as the first option. And over here, once you open it up, on the bottom, we simply have to click over here and enter WhatsApp. Okay. And then you see you actually have two versions of the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp Messenger, so this is for private users, this is what you have download. By the way, also, if you want to run two WhatsApp accounts at the same time on your phone, you can also download this WhatsApp Business app, so both of these apps, so you can simply log in with different numbers in each app. But we are simply going to click over here. You see also, you can see how it looks like. And to download it, we are simply going to click this blue cloud, and then simply it will download and install it. So let's wait. So you are seeing this progress, how it essentially fills up and is being downloaded. Okay. And then we can press open, and as you see, we have the regular WhatsApp setup here. So you'd enter your phone number, or also if you want to link as companion device, you can also click over here, and then you get your QR code that you can scan with your other phone. So if you want to use it on multiple phones, and then the WhatsApp icon gets placed on your home screen. Also, obviously, you can move it around. So click and hold on any blank space. Then you see it start to shiver. You can also move it around wherever you need it. And if you want to uninstall, so you would click and hold again and remove app. Okay, good luck.